So, hello, my name is Anastasia, and we come back with our heading of interviews with our staff. And I'm already looking forward to today's release, as today I have a lead generation specialist, Marina. And lead generators are people without whom our interaction with you would be impossible. So, I'm getting a bit ahead of myself and let Marina tell us more about this. So, hi, Marina. I'm glad to see you.
Hi, me too. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thank you. I hope you're having a great day today. And I suggest
Sure.
starting, yes. So, I suggest starting our interview. And I have a couple of questions for you. And let's start from the very beginning. So, why lead generation? How did you come to what you're doing right now?
So I have more than 3 years of experience in lead generation, and I always knew that I wanted to communicate with people who are developing the world. It is the work that allows us to help people realize their goals and dreams in reality.
Okay. And can you please tell us a little about the importance of the lead generation department?
Sure. I think it's our department that communicates first with the client and will make the first impression about our company. And the importance of our work is to make it comfortable for the client to communicate with future partners. And naturally, we must answer all the questions and write out details that will save time for both parties in the future. It is the moment that helps to communicate productively in the future, I think.
Okay, that's great. And let's get straight to the details. How is your work process structured?
So some clients find us themselves or come to us on recommendation. We have many such cases, which cannot but please. In such cases, we understand that we are doing work at a high level, and there are also clients that we find ourselves with help of many tools. It's important to apply all the skills correctly and find relevant clients to whom we will be useful.
Mm-hmm. And what platforms do you work on?
So we try to find new resources every day. This is an important aspect of keeping up with the times. And the most popular platforms are Sales Navigator in LinkedIn, Science-Based, Think, AngelList, and Manual Search, where we study many strategies.
Okay. And how do you usually qualify a lead before handing it over to sales manager?
We need to find out what our potential clients want. Does he need an application or does he want to hire a specific developer to help? And we will find out all the points that will be important for a conversation with Liza. It's difficult to say specific questions here because everything depends solely on each person with whom we're having a conversation. And we find an individual approach to each client. I think this is the case for success.
Okay. I'm sure all departments face difficult every day. And could you please tell us about the daily work challenges of the lead generator?
Oh, that's good question. For me, every day is diverse thanks to different clients who tell their ideas. And I think the most difficult thing in our work is to correctly understand a person and his goals because the further work of the two sides depends on it, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so today I received answers to all my questions, and the interview turned out to be very intense, it seems to me. So I'm sure you handle them just fine. And today we got to know the lead generation department in which our guys work every day. And I'm sure it was really useful for our viewers. So thank you for your time, and it was really pleasant to spend it with you. So bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you for a pleasant conversation, Anastasia. Thank you.